Okay, so as we're going up here, as you can see from the door, we like installing that second seal with the door open, like this a little bit. Works really good, and so forth. Clean up. Guess what? There's dirt up here, folks. There is dirt. What he's doing is we're drawing just like we do on the sides, a line every 9 inches. Loop, so you got that loop thread piece, and then this here, because we like this to overlap, you know, about 1 inch, 1.25 inches. So in essence, when all said and done, we're running this about down the center on this ridge. So okay, and then we do the same thing here. We have one person pulling on it nice and tight. And instead of get black screws, where is our line? No, you always get a little bit more than what you order, so you would also have to do some trimming. We're just going off a roll that we have. Okay, so Steve's going to trim that right up. Right there. Okay, we're going to close the door, show you how we finish the screws every 9 inches. We may have a problem here. We'll come back and take a look at that, getting in the chain. So, look at how nice. This door did not have a top seal. This baby is, look at how nice and tight that is. Snirt's going to stay outside. This didn't even have a seal. Now what we're going to show here is we're going to take a look at this chain. So let's open up the door. Okay, keep going, keep going. Stop. Not too bad. I think we're going to be okay. Let's close it and see what it looks like. No, we're good enough. There are times, we'll keep it as there are times that chain goes down about 1/2 inch to 1 inch, and then we had to trim it. So let's close it. Beautiful. We stopped Snirt here at the Valley Family Foods grocery store.